Hello friends, today we are going to learn the new topic, that is equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Suppose a non-linear equation is given. Suppose 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 7. This is non-linear equation because x and y variables are at the denominator. So how can you convert these non-linear equations into linear equations in two variables? So for that, take these 4 outside the bracket, and what will be in the bracket? 1 upon x, plus take y outside the bracket, and in the bracket 1 upon y is equal to 7. Then replacing 1 upon x by another new variable, that is n, and 1 upon y by n, we get 4 1 upon x with m, plus replace this 1 upon y with n, so 5n is equal to 7, and this way you will get the new linear equation in two variables, and then solve these equations. Now we will see practice set 1.4, and question is solve the following simultaneous equations. So I will take first sum. First sum is 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15, and second equation is 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. So you will have to convert this non-linear equation into linear equation in two variables. So for that, what I will write in the first step, I will take these two outside the bracket. So what is in the bracket? 1 upon x minus, take 3 outside the bracket and write in the bracket 1 upon y is equal to 15. You get first equation. Then here 8 taking outside the bracket, in bracket 1 upon x plus 5 in bracket 1 upon y is equal to 77. This is second equation. Now replacing this 1 upon x and 1 upon y by new variables. Therefore replacing 1 upon x by new variable n and 1 upon y by n, then we get two equations, that is 2 1 upon x means m minus 3 1 upon y is n is equal to 15. So this is the third equation, and then 8 1 upon x means m plus 5 1 upon y means n is equal to 77. So this is fourth equation. So you get here two linear equations in two variables. So you will have to solve these two equations. So here minus 3n and plus 5n. So both have the opposite sign, but coefficients are not the same. So you will have to make the coefficient same. So how will you make the coefficient same? Multiplying this 5 to this third equation and 3 to this fourth equation. Then opposite signs are there. Then in equation what we do? We add these two equations. So multiply equation 3 by this equation 3 by 5 and 4 by 3. So multiplying equation 3 by 5. So here you will have to multiply by 5. So 5 2s are 10m minus 5 3s are 15n is equal to 15 5s are 75. Then here you will have to multiply by 3. So 8 3s are 24m plus 5 3s are 15n, and then 77 into 3. So what is 77 into 3? 3 7s are 21, carry over 2. 3 7s are 21 plus 2, 23. So it is 231. Add them. So minus 15n and plus 15n cancel. So here addition is 34m is equal to, here addition is 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 3 10, carry over 1 306. Okay, now m is equal to, shifting this 34 to right side, 306 divided by 34. Therefore m is equal to, so divide this number by, here is 6 and here is 4, so this number can be divided by the 2. So I will 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1, 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1, 2 7s are 14 and 17 9s are 53. So we get here value of m, that is 9. So put m is equal to 9 in equation, which equation? Where m or n are there, here. I will take, which one is the simple equation, this one or this one? So I will take this one, sorry, third one. So 2m minus 3n is equal to 15. So to replace this m with 9 minus 3n is equal to 15. So 2 9s are 18 minus 3n is equal to 15. Now shift this 18 to that side. So here 3n has minus sign, don't forget to put this minus sign here. Minus 3n is equal to, then write 15, then shift plus 18 to that side, minus 18. So again minus 3n is equal to 18 minus 15, it is 3, and 18 has greater sign, therefore here is minus 3. So you know minus minus plus, so 3n is equal to 3, therefore n is equal to 3 upon 3, and therefore n is equal to 3 1s are 3, so we get value of n 1. So m is equal to 9 and n is equal to 1, but these are the new variables, but original variables are x and y. So you will have to find the value of x and y by taking these m and values of m and n. So therefore, now m is equal to 9 and n is equal to 1. So we know that m means 1 upon x. So here write 1 upon x is equal to 9 and here 1 upon y is equal to 1. So take the reciprocal. 1 upon x, that is x upon 1. X upon 1, that means x. And reciprocal of 9 is 1 upon 9. And reciprocal of 1 upon y is y, and reciprocal of 1 is 1. So we get x is equal to 9, 1 upon 9, and y is equal to 1. Therefore answer is, solution is in bracket x comma y is equal to, what is value of x? 1 upon 9, and what is value of y? 1. So this way you can solve the non-linear equations by taking new linear equations and solve these. Now I will take second sum. What is second sum? 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. And second equation is 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Okay. So what is the first step? You will have to take this 10 outside the bracket. So 10 in bracket 1 upon x plus y, plus here 2 in bracket 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. So you get the first equation. Second, taking 15 outside the bracket and in the bracket 1 upon x plus y minus 5 in bracket 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 2. Now replacing this 1 upon x plus y by m and 1 upon x minus y by n. Replacing 1 upon x plus y by m and 1 upon x minus y by n. So we get 10, 1 upon x plus y means m, plus 2, n is equal to 4. So this is the third equation. Fourth equation is 15, its value is m, minus 5, 1 upon x minus y means n is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 4. Now these two equations here, plus n minus n, means signs are opposite but coefficients are not the same. So what we do? We multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2 and add them. So multiply equations 3 by 5 and 4 by 2. So multiply these by 5. 10 5 is 50m plus 5 to the 10n is equal to 5 4 the 20. Then here multiply by 2. 15 to the 30m minus 5 to the 10n is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Then add them. So 50 plus 30, that is 80m plus 10n and minus 10n cut. So here is equal to 20 minus 4 plus minus minus. So 20 minus 4 is 16 and 20 has greater 20 sign plus. So here plus sign. Therefore m is equal to 16 divided by 80. 16 1 is 16, 16 5 is 80. Therefore m is equal to 1 upon 5. So we get m is equal to 1 upon 5. Now put this value of m in equation 3. So put m is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 3. So what is equation 3? 10m plus 2n is equal to 4. Therefore 10 into 10m is 10 into, what is value of m? 1 upon 5 plus 2n is equal to 4. So 5 is the 5, 5 to the 10. So 2 is the 2 plus 2n is equal to 4. Therefore shift this plus 2 that side. 2n is equal to 4 minus 2. Therefore 2n is equal to plus minus minus 4 minus 2, 2. And therefore n is equal to 2 divided by 2. So n is equal to 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, n is equal to 1. So we get m is equal to 1 upon 5 and n is equal to 1. Now m is equal to 1 upon 5 and n is equal to 1. But you know that m means what? 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. And what is value of n? N is 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. Now take the reciprocal. 1 upon x plus y, reciprocal is x plus y upon 1. That means x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5, reciprocal is 5 upon 1 means 5. And here reciprocal of 1 upon x minus y is x minus y and reciprocal of 1 is 1. So you get here another equation 5th and 6th. So this is equation 5th and x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 6. So what I do? here is plus y and here is minus y, so I will add these two equations. Therefore x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1, and what will I do? Add these two equations. So plus y minus y cut, x plus x, 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 divided by 2, 2 is multiplied, here is divided. So x is equal to 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. So we get x is equal to 3. Now you will have to find the value of y. Now I will put this value in equation 5th. Put x is equal to 3 in equation, which equation? 5th equation. Therefore 5th equation is x plus y is equal to 5. Replace this x with 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5, and therefore y is equal to 5 minus 3, and therefore y is equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So we get the solution. Solution is x comma y is equal to, what is value of x? 3, and value of y is 2. Now you can check your answer by putting these x and y values in this equation and check your answer is correct or not. So I will verify this. Verification. So I will write 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. So therefore 10 upon x plus y means 3 plus 2, that is 5, plus 2 upon x minus y means 3 minus 2, that is 1. So what we get? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 2 plus 2 4. So right side is here 4 and here is also 4. So our answer is correct. So in this way you can check your answer. Now I will take third sum. What is third sum? First equation is 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. And second is 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. So what is the first step? First step is taking 27 outside the bracket, and in bracket 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 outside the bracket, in the bracket 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85 is equation 1. And here 31 outside the bracket and in bracket 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 outside the bracket and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Equation number 2. Now replacing this 1 upon x minus 2 and 1 upon y plus 3 by new variable m and n. So replacing 1 upon x minus 2 by m and 1 upon y plus 3 by n, we get two equations. Third is 27m plus 31n is equal to 85, and here this is the third equation. Then 31 its value is m plus 27n is equal to 89, fourth equation. So if you observe these two equations, so what you will see? You will see the coefficients are interchanged. Here is 27m, here is 27n. Here is 31m, here is 31m. So what we do, what is the step? If the coefficients are interchanged, which method we use? We use ASA method. ASA method. ASA method means what? Addition, subtraction, addition. So what we do? First add equation. Add equations 3 and 4. So 27m plus 31m is equal to 85. Then 31m plus 27m is equal to 89. So we add them, 7 plus 1 8. It is 58m plus 8, 3 plus 2 5. 58m is equal to 9 plus 5 4, carry over 1, 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 17, 174. So here is 58m and here is 58n is equal to 174. So we can divide these equation by 58. So dividing by 58, what we get? Here is m, 58 ones are 58, here is also n, is equal to 174 divided by 58. 174 divided by 58. So what I told you that if you don't know the table of 58, so what should you do? Divide this 174 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So this 17 is divided by 5, that we get the 3. So what I do? 58 into 3. So 3 8s are 24, carry over 2. 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17. So we get 174. That means 58 3s are 174. 58 1s are 58 and 3s are. So here answer is 3 and we get fifth equation. Here is dividing by 58. Next, so add. Next is subtract. So subtract equation 3 and 4. Subtract equation 3 and 4. So what should you do? You write these 3 and 4th equation there. But 27m and 31m, which coefficient is greater? This 31m is greater than this. So I will write this 4th equation first. 31m plus 27n is equal to 89, and then I will write the 3rd equation. 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. Subtraction means change the sign of this 2nd equation. Plus will be minus, here plus will be minus, and here also plus will be minus. So 31 minus 27, that is 4m, plus minus minus, then 31 minus 27, it is also 4n, but 31 has minus sign, so here is minus 4n is equal to 89 minus 85, that is 4. So again here is 4, here is 4, here is 4, so dividing this whole equation by 4. So here m minus n is equal to 4 ones are 4, you get the 6th equation. Dividing by 4. Okay, now addition we have done, subtraction we have done, then next is addition. So again add equations. Which equations? Now new equations, 5th and 6th. Add equations 5th and 6th. So 5th equation is m plus n is equal to 3 and m minus n is equal to 1. So add this. Plus n minus n cut, m plus n 2m and 3 plus 1 4. So m is equal to 4 divided by 2. Therefore m is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We get m is equal to 2. Now put m is equal to 2 in equation 5th. So I will write here So fifth equation is m plus n is equal to 3. So what is value of m? 2. So 2 plus n is equal to 3, and therefore n is equal to plus 2 will be minus. So 3 minus 2, and you get n is equal to 3 minus 2, 1. So therefore m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1. But what is the value of m? 1 upon x minus 2. So here 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2. And what is the value of n? 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. Now take the reciprocal. 1 upon x minus 2 reciprocal is x minus 2 upon 1. And here 2 upon 1 reciprocal is 1 upon 2. And here 1 upon y plus 3 reciprocal is y plus 3, and reciprocal of 1 is 1. Therefore next step is x is equal to minus 2. Here is a constant number, so you will have to shift to that right side. So 1 upon 2 minus 2 will be plus 2. So x is equal to 2 to the 4. So 1 plus cross multiplication 2 to the 4 divided by 2. So x is equal to 4 plus 1 5 divided by 2. And here y is equal to 1 plus 3 will be minus 3. Therefore y is equal to minus 2. So we get y is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 5 upon 2. So solution is therefore solution is x comma y is equal to 5 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 2. Now we can check our answer is correct or not by putting this value in this equation. So verification. Actually this verification is not necessary to write in the exam. Just you can check your answer. So equation is 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Right side is 85. So I will write here 27 upon x minus 2. What is x? 5 upon 2, and this minus 2 plus 31 upon y. Y means minus 2. So minus 2 plus 3. So therefore 27 upon 2 to the 4. So 5 minus 4 divided by 2 plus here 31 upon plus minus minus 3 minus 2 1. Next this denominator 2 shift to the numerator here. So 27 into 2 upon 5 minus 4 1 plus 31. So 27 to the 54 plus 31 and is equal to 4 plus 1 5 and 5 plus 3 8. So our answer is here 85, and here right side is also 85. So our answer is correct.